Yliopistonkatu 18 in Turku. In 1968, it's 15634. Ground floor. 6 rows of 408 kilograms. Is built by Kone and maintained by Finland. Fourth floor. This is a retake for this elevator. I don't have in the other one. I built this one in 2012. It was quite bad video. Ground floor. Let's see it. At 68, it's 15635. This one looks better. Doesn't level so easily. 6 brush of 408 kilograms. Built by Kone and maintained by Finland. I can take the third ride with this one.